Welcome guys to the Seniors channel, and in today's video we're gonna learn how you can be able to add, that is YouTube tags, how you can be able to add tags on your YouTube videos. How do you go about it? Let's get started. So you just need to open, that is your YouTube studio in your PC. Then after you have been able to log in onto your channel and visited the YouTube studio, you need to click, that is content, so that you can be able to see the various videos that you have created onto your channel. Then you have to select the video that you want to, that is to update, or either to update or to add tags. For example, I'll be the latest video that I just uploaded. There's a video that I'll be adding tags. So you just need to click this icon here, the pen icon, and that is an editing icon. Then from there it will be able, you can go to, when you click that pen icon, you can go to edit the title. You can also be able to edit, that is the description of that video. You can also be able to add that video on a playlist. You can also be able to adjust, that is the audience. Is the video made of kids or is it not made for kids? Then you can also be able to add tags. For example, in this case you can see I do not have any tags. Now in this video I will be showing you how you can be able to generate these tags and add them, that is on your YouTube video. How do you go about it? So what you do, you just need to copy this. I'm going to show you how a very simple method how you can go to, that is how you can go to generate an optimized tags. So you just need to highlight your title, then copy. Then on your browser you need to visit, that is Rapid Tags Generator. I'll actually leave this link in my video description. You just need to visit this site, and this site will actually help you to generate the most optimized tags regarding that title. So then after you paste that title, you just need to hit enter so that the system can generate the tags for you. Then you can just click there, agree. Then from there you can see I have a variety of tags. You just need to copy them. After you copy those tags, then you can just go to your, that is your video, the tab where you're supposed to save, that is to save those tags. So just Control V, that is you can just Control V, or you can just simply paste, and you can see I have been able to generate those tags. Then from there you just need to click save. And once those tags are saved, they will actually be updated on that is on YouTube. Then from there those tags can be used when recommending, that is your content. And you can see it's a very easy method. So instead you don't have to struggle actually looking for a way to generate tags. You just need to copy. It's very simple. You just need to copy the video title and paste the tags that is on the Rapid Tags Generator. Then the system will give you actually the most optimized tags regarding, that is your video title. Then you just need to paste and save, and that's all we have for today guys. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Goodbye.